So now at last we're going to be working on the front bumpers solidification. This is going to be the last chapter with the front bumper. So we won't be able to use any solidification, any solidify modifier over here. So this shape is way too complex, so we have to do everything manually in here. At first, let's just join the top over at the right side. Let's get rid of that vertex, and let's join those two. Let's make a face right over at that place so that it seems seamless. There we go. Now we have a face in there. Let's add a boundary. Let's push them. Okay, I'm gonna talk less and just do my work and just follow my lead. Now we're going to extrude the inside part of the front bumper fender. After turning off the sub D, it's going to be much easier to get it as a face. I'm going to do the same thing over in the bottom section. That's not going to work since on the bottom fender area there's a lot of more vertices. So we gotta change the style. This part could be really tricky and challenging, so make sure to follow every step and try to understand that why I am doing certain things. We won't be able to do much in here since if we just keep on doing faces, it's just gonna overlap it. So we can't do much. It should have been better if we do not touch this place. Let's get rid of the edge over there. Dissolve the edge. I mean, just straight out delete it at this moment. And let's join them at last. Make a face. Cool. Now it's perfect. Now the transition is perfect. But there are some problems over here, so we're just gonna control Z them. Um, It's not a sub D. Delete the age again. Merge it one more time. At last. Make a face. Alright, nice. Let's just check what happens if we just use the solidify modifier. Let's go for point 2 here. High quality. Fill and only room. It's not looking good at all. Let's extrude this entire section of edge inside, or maybe not. Let's get the top portion of the pillars too, of the pillar 2. Maybe those portions. 2. And that one. And EY that. Let's push it inside a little bit to give it just a bit more depth. Then just with the G, just push it inside a bit more. Just some final touches. It looks perfect now. So we're done with the front bumper section. Let's turn on the subdivision. This final thing, let's just the boundary over here. Now, done, done. So on the next chapter, we'll be doing the fender area, and after that, we're gonna do the doors.